Jeff.
Hi, Gina.
So what do you think, hanging out in Grace for the first time?
Well, here's what was going through my head. It's always a little scary doing anything with change, for me at least.
Me too.
This is a big change, so it's a little scary. And then I'm thinking, this is a lot of money. This is a lot of money. Are we doing the right thing? And then being able to come in here today and to actually touch and feel it and see it, and to lie down on the cushions like this here, and see all the different systems that are in here that will be able to actually go places on the road and talk with people and cook and do all those kinds of things. That it's just going to be neat, dude. It really, being in here really did convince me that no, we're not making a mistake. This is good.
Yeah.
And you know what? If it turns out after a while we're tired of driving around in the van, and we still have a van. If we wanted to sell it, we could.
Right.
It's not like if you spent $2,000 to go on a vacation someplace, and the vacation turns out horrible. At the end, you have nothing except the memories of a horrible vacation. If we go someplace and we decide, I don't like living in a van, I think we'll sell this. Then we have the van that's actually a high quality embassy RV, and we could sell it and then maybe we won't get all of our money back, but who knows? You know what? The prices have gone up. Maybe we'll get full price back. Who knows?
Yeah.
If we decide that we don't want to do it anymore. So I am much relieved and excited about the next few months ahead.
Yay.
How about you?
I'm so excited too. I'm looking forward to doing a lot of adventures with you and meeting people and getting their...
Interviewing them and hearing their miracle stories.
Yeah.
Sharing our miracle stories with them too.
Yep. Yeah, and trying to cook healthy from the road. So we've been eating out a lot since we went to the embassy meetup.
Because we don't have our van yet.
Because we don't have our van yet. And we were not eating healthy in those restaurants.
Nope. That's why I have my arm over my stomach. Don't look down there. Okay. But we will start up again. And when we're in the van, we have a good strategy. And I think being able to go into some of these recipes that we're making with, here are some that are good for you and van friendly.
Yes.
It will be an exciting thing to do.
Yes, it will. Be fun cooking in that kitchen. Yay.
Well, good night.
Good night.
To see more videos like this one, please like and subscribe. Thanks for watching.